Welcome back. Today we're tackling why so many container gardens fail, and how to fix it. You buy beautiful pots, pick great plants, but end up with yellow leaves and stunted growth. The problem isn't your thumb, it's a few common mistakes unique to container gardening. Let's break down the 7 biggest mistakes and how to make your potted plants thrive. Mistake number 1. Using pots that are too small. Small pots restrict roots, causing poor growth and root-bound plants. Always match pot size to the mature size of your plant. Bigger is usually better, especially for veggies. More soil means more nutrients, moisture, and healthier roots. Number 2. No drainage holes. Without drainage, water pools, roots suffocate, and rot sets in fast. Always use pots with holes. If your favorite pot doesn't have one, drill holes or use it as a decorative cachepot with a plastic liner. Water thoroughly, let it drain, then return to the outer pot. Healthy roots need air as much as water. Third mistake. Using garden soil in containers. Garden soil compacts in pots, suffocating roots and blocking drainage. Use a light, airy potting mix with ingredients like peat, cocoa coir, compost, and perlite. This keeps roots breathing and water moving. Fourth mistake. Watering too much or too little. Don't water on a schedule, check soil with your finger. If it's dry below the surface, water deeply until it drains out. Mulch helps keep moisture steady. For less guesswork, try self-watering containers. Consistent moisture is key. Fifth mistake. Forgetting to fertilize. Potting mix runs out of nutrients fast, plants need regular feeding. Mix in slow-release fertilizer at planting, then supplement with liquid feed every few weeks. Hungry plants are unhappy plants. Sixth mistake, wrong light. Sun lovers need 6-8 hours of direct sun, shade plants need less. Track your sun before placing pots, and use grow lights indoors if needed. Right light =, strong, productive plants. Seventh mistake, ignoring temperature swings. Pots heat up and cool down faster than ground soil, stressing roots. Move pots to shade during heat waves, insulate with mulch, or use a pot-in-pot setup. Protect roots from extreme temps for healthier plants. There you have it. 7 common mistakes and how to fix them. Container gardening isn't harder, just different. Get the basics right and your plants will thrive. Whether you have a balcony or a windowsill, you can grow a lush garden. What's your biggest container gardening struggle? Comment below. This is the Soil Doctor. Grow smarter, not harder. See you next time.